Hey there, it's Dr. Jim. Thank you so much for stopping by. This episode is on what makes good employees quit, part one, which means there are other parts coming up. So stay tuned. So look out, employers. The economy is cooking and it looks like it's going to continue to grow for some time into the future. So what does this mean in terms of employee retention and turnover? I'll tell you what it means. It's an employee's market. They can seek employment anywhere else they want to. They can pick and choose where they go. And they're probably looking for a better job right now while they're working for you. That's actually true. You definitely want to hang on to good employees and give them the reasons to stay. But are you paying attention to the reasons why good employees leave? Here are some good reasons why employees quit. And I call them the little things, because the little things matter a lot. Okay? While there are endless reasons why good people leave, some of the most common reasons are so simple you might miss them. Keeping good employees is not rocket science. Most people, most employees want the same kind of things that make them feel good about staying with you. Let's examine more closely. I want to look at, well, there's so many different things I want to look at here. I'm going to try to squeeze it all in. Let's see what we could do. Let's look at some of the most basic reasons why people leave. The Queen of Soul, Aretha Franklin, had a hit song in the late 1960s called Respect. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Respect. And all she was asking for was a little bit. Just a little. Employees who deserve respect should be given respect. But in today's hustle and bustle of the workplace, things need to get done. Budgets require attention. And sometimes leaders, even the best leaders, forget to give a little respect to their hardworking, committed, and honest employees. Remember, your people are the most valuable assets that you have. So why would you not want to show them some respect? Okay, so we're throwing this word around. Respect, respect, respect. What do I mean by it? Respect is a behavior. Okay? And it's provided in terms of how people are treated. You can show respect by thanking people for their skills, their abilities, and their diligence. You could also make sure that they get what they need, the resources, the tools, the software, the new med card, whatever it is. People need the right tools to get things done. Helping them to succeed is a sign of respect. Respect can also be quantified by how much an employee is compensated for their level of talent that they bring to the workplace. If they are poorly paid, but they're delivering big results, that's a lack of respect. They'll undoubtedly feel disrespected, and they will start looking for another job somewhere else. Respect also means other things. It means giving them the opportunities to expand their roles within the organization. Give them a ladder to climb. Give them steps to ascend. Cross-training is a great way of showing employees respect. I think you're so good and you're so smart, I want to train you in that department, and that department, that department. And when we're short, or people aren't here, or they're on vacation, or whatever the case happens to be, you're qualified to take over and jump in. By cross-training an employee in multiple areas or departments, you're showing them that they are capable, they are smart, and able to do a lot more than just their job. Okay? Stay tuned. I have another part and another part about what makes good employees quit. I'll see you soon.